Hi there, welcome once again to another exciting video. As I always say, in treating acne, pimples, or blackouts or black spots, there are different and so many remedies, but you have to know the right one for you, okay? Because we all have different type of skins, okay? So I have different remedies for you. Try it out and identify the one that works for you and then stick to that, okay? Well, in today's video, I'll be teaching how to use turmeric. This is turmeric powder for your face to clear acne and pimples. And I will show you the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is not just any powder, okay? It's a very essential powder. It can be used for black spots, pimples, acne. It's even used in making soap, shower gels. It has a lot of properties, okay? It is very, very, very good, okay? So I'll not come here and tell you something that is not good or true. So let's do this. Do not go anywhere because this is a very simple remedy to treat your acne and pimples. We are going to add water to this and we are going to apply it on our face. Just that you have to get a dedicated towel we are going to use because this is very strong, and after doing this, when you wipe your face, you see that your towel is going to turn yellow. Yes, that's the hard truth. Okay, so get a towel you'll be using for this and you'll be good to go. So without talking much, let's dive straight into making this video. So I have my turmeric powder here, my mixing bowl, and then my water here. What I'm going to do is to fetch an amount of turmeric powder, not so much, just a little, okay? You can get turmeric powder at any organic shop, organic market, organic shop. Add little water to it. Do not let it be too light. Okay. Let it be a little bit thick. Okay, add a little more water. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so this is the texture. Okay, not too light, not too thick. And we are going to apply this on our face. Okay. This is very simple to make. So I'm going to apply this directly on my face. If you have brush dedicated for some of these things, you can use brush. But if you do not have brush, you do not need to worry because you can use your hands. Yeah, so I'm going to use my hands, okay? We are going to have a yellow face. So normally you do this 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? These are all purely organic. It's not going to bleach you, it's just going to treat your face, remove all blackheads and all that, okay? So it's better than buying all these chemicals which are going to hurt your face in the long run. Doing this is organic and it's effective, okay? Very, very effective. I promise I'm going to give you the benefits of turmeric to your skin, your face, okay? So I'm going to bring it up shortly. As I do this and allow it to dry, I'm going to teach you the benefits of turmeric. So if you have pimples here, how is it called? Eyeshadow. You can also apply it, but if you do not have it, then you can leave it, okay? Be careful it doesn't enter your eye. Be careful, you just need a small amount of, see what I even took, the small amount I took, I still have some remaining here. I can cover it and then use it another time, you understand? So, I'm going to allow this to dry and then come back. I have a yellow face, the yellow one. Okay, some people also have pimples in their chest, their neck, wherever you have the pimples. Do apply this and it's going to work. I normally do not have pimples around my chest and my neck unless I get pregnant, yes. But normally I do not have pimples around those areas. Okay, so wherever you have the pimples, some people also have it at their back. Okay, you can, by the help of someone, you can apply it at your back. Okay, let's wait for this to dry up and then we're back. Do not go anywhere because I'll be giving the importance of using turmeric on your skin. So as you can see here, turmeric has an anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce swelling. Okay, it also helps reduce the appearance of dark spots. It also reduces puffings and lightens under eye skin. It also it can remove dead cells and add fatty acids and vitamins to the skin. Okay, turmeric can add fatty acids to the skin, which is very important. It also has some properties that can reduce age spots and wrinkles. It is also good for pimples and acne. So allow this to set on your face maximum 10 minutes, okay, maximum 10 minutes, and then wash it off. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times in a week and you are going to see massive results. Okay, so let me go and wash this off. Come with me. Let's go and wash this off. As I told you earlier, make sure you have a dedicated towel or towel you use and do it, because this is going to leave yellow stains on your towel, especially if it's white. Okay, so make sure you have a towel you're going to use to wipe your face. Normally you have to use soap. Okay, soap. So you do this before you take your shower, so you can use the soap to wash your face thoroughly. But without soap, you can also do this, and this is good. All right, this is good. You're going to get clean, bright skin as you use turmeric. Turmeric is very good. Okay, it will not hurt your skin, it will not hurt your face. Just make sure you do not keep it on your face for too long. Okay, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, maximum 10 minutes from the time you applied. Okay, or when it's airy, or the place is very airy and it dries quickly, then you can wash it off. Okay, this works. Okay, so try this out. You can get turmeric, as I said, you can get it at any organic shop. Go to the market, make sure you get the powder form. Okay, if you get the roots, you cannot use it because you have to grind it first. Okay, so make sure you get the turmeric powder, add it with water, use this 2 to 3 times in a week, maximum 10 minutes, and you're going to see results. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time in my next video. Bye.